Yes, Bomani, what happened?
Yes, Greetings family, we're looking to show you the stamping process on the cloth. We have over here a lot of cloths that are finished.
Yeah.
Before we show you that, we're going to show you over here, live in action, the whole process. Alright my brother, let's show them and explain to them the whhole process of how it works.
Which one?
Thank you.
I did my approach. Which one? Low start. Which one you count?
I need a heart here.
What do you buy?
Did you get it? I told Daniel. Did you get it?
Which one of the symbols that did you choose?
All. Leadership. Wisdom.
Leadership and wisdom.
Yeah. Love. What else? So we can answer. I can tell her she was a little worried. I don't know. Nah, a lot.
Which one?
All right, now I want. Wait, did you get it? Did you? I want to see if she got it. Did you buy it?
One to one. This is the Jinyami symbol, right?
Back to circle. Which one means change again?
Change your life.
Which one is change? Wait, where the paper went?
Which one of the symbols did you choose?
He didn't. He chose it. Jiname.
Jinyami.
And Aya.
Oh, okay, Aya. So some of the stamps.
Are they dry?
Which one of the symbols did you choose?
I don't. No, I haven't. They're all folded up, man. I don't know the names of them, man.
Oh, okay.
Over here, they look like they're the same.
How many symbols did you have? Because I have two. Oh,
I'll pull it for you.
Okay, you'll do what?
Which one of the symbols that did you choose?
Giambe, and Sankofa, and Finhak cross.
Oh, okay. Do you know the meanings of the ones that you chose?
Sankofa, remembrance, Giambe, accept God, and Finhankra, security and safe in home.
Okay. Is there any reason why you chose such symbols?
Yes, I have the Sankofa bird, and I always like to keep myself in remembrance of my ancestors to move forward. Giambe, that there's only one God, and then I like the one for security and feeling safe at home.
Good. Akwaba.
Let me know. Aquaba, I've been trying to pronounce it. Is that correct?
Akwaba means welcome.
Welcome. Okay. And is it Nyampe? What means thank you?
Medasi.
Medase.
Which one of the symbols that did you use?
I'm a child of God. I wanted to feel, because I'm always in the spirit of the Most High,
Did somebody
And a lot of things move me. One of the most things that move me is that lady right there. She reminds me of my grandmother. As a gift, I just wanted to help her, so I gave her something so that, she can buy food or whatever it is that she needs. Because we have to take care of our elders. They are so important because they have so much knowledge and information so that we can move our generation, to the next level. You understand? It's good to be here in Africa because I see my people here. this is like being in the Caribbean, and all of these things that I see, we do it in the Caribbean, and I see where we get that from. We get it from our people here, so I feel connected to Africa. Because like Peter Tosh says, as long as you are a black man, you're an African.
You're an African. Yes, you're right.
Where you went with my half of my thing?
No, I'm okay. I'm okay. Okay, I'm okay. I'm okay. Yeah.
Which ones are the symbols that did you choose?
Which ones
Of the symbols did you choose?
My son chose Child of God and Oneness with God on the red strip right here. So he was very pleased with that.
Is there anything that you've learned from the symbol that you chose?
Oh, the power of it, especially the power of being here and the motherland and feeling like we're at the source. So it made sense.
Is there a first time in Africa?
No, this is our second time. We came 2 years ago and decided to come back because we had such a wonderful time.
Right, so is this gonna be a journey of a lifetime as it's been?
It has been. It has been each time.
Right, is there any advice that you give to people, those in America who has not been here?
Well, so one, I would say come, even, start putting aside a little money, talk to Bomani, he'll help you figure out how to finance it. So don't let money be a problem. And then come and enjoy yourself. Be
Enjoy
open.
yourself.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
You bet.
Right. Mommy,
Hi.
how are you?
I'm doing well. How you
Which
doing?
one of the symbols that did you choose?
I chose Sankofa and the first one, the Sankofa and the first one.
And Jinyame.
And Dingame, yeah.
And Jinyame, except
Yeah.
God.
Beautiful, yes, it does.
Is there any reason why you chose such
The
symbols?
first one is because God is over everything. I love that. God is the leader of us all. And the Sankofa, I love that too. So that's what I have chose those two.
All right. Is there any advice that you give to those who also like to come to Africa?
Come. Just come. Come. It's beautiful. Come. I love it. I enjoy everything. I enjoy meeting all the people, talking to everyone, bartering with everyone, arguing with everyone. I love it. I love it. So. Stephanie. What up?
Excuse me, y'all. See, that's the piece for him. But he want too much for it.
That's the
Yeah, that's the one right there. See? No. He said 100 and then he said 40. Yeah, I told him. Yeah, but
Which one of the symbols that did you choose?
huh?
Which one of the symbols that did you choose?
Oh, I chose the Sankofa and I chose the Pampasi.
Is there any story? Is there anything behind?
Yes,
you choosing
Pampasi is the unity, the strength of unity, and then Sankofa, looking back to get what you forgot. Yes, so. Oh, do we need to wait for those? Very nice.
They're kind of dry.
That is nice.
How much you want for it?
I know.
Ma'am, which one of the symbols that did you choose?
I chose the Sankofa and
I got this. Look at what I got. Yes, it is.
the Sankofa and
I can see a lot of people choosing Sankofa. Is there anything behind it?
I know. But
they're just bringing things together, making sure you bring it forward and don't forget. So that's why I love the Sankofa.
too much. I'm shopping around and I'm thinking too much. I like it. But you want
Excuse me.
You gotta go back to.
Yeah, these ain't the ones though. These not the ones. I'm looking for the one like my brother got.
Were you beginning to the